Good morning everyone. This is Anuj Antony. You are 15, CS117. This is my first video which I am going to present before you. My first lab exercise which I am going to explain a C++ program. A program statement is given as the user has an n number of balls in a basket and he wanted to build a pyramid using the balls. As you seeing in the screen, the user took 6 balls. In first row, 1 ball is there. In second row, 2 balls, and third row, 3 balls. Now the user is interested to form a pyramid with the maximum possible height. So the aim of the experiment is to find the maximum height of the pyramid. In this program, I use the header file iostream. iostream is used for all the C out and C in process. And using namespace standard std. std is a standard namespace which is used for all the C out, C in, and all other logical things which has to be declared afterward. Then we will go inside the main. Here I took 3 variables x, I, and b, where b is the number of balls where I input as a b. Okay. Then I took 2 variables x and I analyze x is equal to 0 and I is equal to 1. Okay. Then we will give a cout command that enter the number of balls and I store it as a b. Okay. Then I use a while command while x less than b. While I used because while is used to repeat a section of code. An unknown number of time until a specific condition is met. Okay. Then I used while command that x is less than b. I took x is equal to 0, so x will be always be less than b. Whatever value I will take for the number of balls as 1, 2, 3, etc., it will be less. Okay. Then inside the while I took x is equal to x plus I, and the I value will be incremental. Then I will see out the value of I and x. Okay. Then I used a if condition, which if x greater than b. Inside this condition, I will decrement the value of I, and I put x is equal to x minus I. If the condition is true, it will break. I use the command break because when the break statement is encountered inside a loop is immediately terminated, and it will come out. So the last we will see out we will give the maximum height of the pyramid, which will be I minus 1. Okay. Now we will see the output. Okay, as the user asks, enter the number of balls. As I entering, it's 7. Okay. See. Now the maximum height of the pyramid is 3. In first condition, while x less than b, I use x is equal to x plus I and I plus plus. First, the value of x is equal to 0 and I is equal to 1. So the x value will be 0 plus 1, 1, and I value will be incremented by 1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So now the value of x is equal to x is 1 and I is equal to 2. In second step, the x value will be 2. So the 2 plus 1, 3. X is equal to 3, and I will be incremented to 3. And after this, the one condition will be there if x is greater than b. Now the x value is 10 and 10 is greater than a number of balls what I took, 7. Then this loop will work, I minus minus, and x is equal to x minus I. I value will be decremented and x is equal to x minus I. And the maximum height of the pyramid will be I minus 1, that is 3. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.